43. All three robots on each side moving. Chips scoring on the L1. Robonauts scoring on the L4. Robonauts again scoring on the L4. Robonauts getting a third. 30-12, moving into the teleop. Chips getting coral, setting up for the score on the L4. Robonauts trying to score on the L4 and removing algae from the reef, scoring into their processor. Chips scoring on the L4. Robotics trying to score algae into their processor. Meanwhile, Cerberus moving off onto the blue line side to play some defense. Chips trying to get more coral to score on the L4. Robonauts scoring more algae into their processor. Wildcats getting more coral into their mechanism to score. Chips lining up for another L4. Cerberus getting more coral. Chips lining up again to get more L4 points. Robotics scoring algae into their processor, 42-72, 1 minute and 30 seconds. Robonauts trying to get more coral, scoring into the L1. Wildcats trying to get more coral to score in their L1 as well. Chips getting more coral, setting up the score on the L4, lining up. And they make it. Robonauts getting more coral, setting up the score on the L4. They make it. Wildcats trying to score coral into their L1, but miss. Robonauts doing the same, scoring into the L4. Chips lining up again on the L4. They make it. Robotics scoring more algae into their processor. More L4s being scored on the Robonauts. Same goes for Chips. 63-110, less than 45 seconds remaining. Robonauts score another L4. Robotics scoring another algae. Chips lining up again. Wildcats trying to get more coral, but they got algae blocking them. Robonauts removing algae from the reef. Chips trying to get more coral, but it falls out. 85-124, less than 20 seconds remaining. Robonauts scoring more coral into the reef. Time to climb. Chips lining up to climb up on their barge. Robonauts doing the same. Cerberus is parked. Wildcats trying to climb. Chips is climbed. Robotics parked. 94-19 parked. And that's the end of the match.